Regulating umbrella companies from the worker perspective, ensuring fairness, protection, and accountability. Introduction. Umbrella companies have gained significant prominence in recent years as a means of employment for temporary workers across various industries. These companies act as intermediaries between workers and clients, facilitating contracts and handling administrative tasks. While umbrella companies offer benefits such as increased flexibility and simplified payroll management, they have also raised concerns regarding workers' rights, fair treatment, and financial security. This essay explores the need for robust regulation of umbrella companies from the worker perspective, highlighting the importance of ensuring fairness, protection, and accountability within this employment model. Understanding umbrella companies. Before delving into the regulatory aspects, it is essential to grasp the functioning of umbrella companies. Umbrella companies typically engage temporary workers as employees, allowing them to work on various short-term contracts. These companies handle administrative tasks such as invoicing, tax deductions, and payment processing, charging a fee for their services. Workers receive payments as employees, ensuring compliance with tax and employment regulations. However, the umbrella company model has sparked concerns regarding worker exploitation, financial instability, and lack of employment rights. To the need for regulation. Ensuring fairness, transparency and clarity. Regulators should mandate that umbrella companies provide clear and comprehensive contracts outlining terms and conditions, including payment structures, deductions, and benefits. Fair payment practices. Regulations must address issues related to late payments, underpayment, and unauthorized deductions, ensuring workers receive fair remuneration for their services. Equal treatment. Regulatory measures should prohibit discrimination based on gender, race, age, or any other protected characteristic, guaranteeing equal opportunities and fair treatment for all workers. B. Enhancing worker protection. Employment rights. Regulations should clarify the employment status of umbrella company workers, ensuring they receive adequate employment rights, including sick leave, holiday pay, and protection against unfair dismissal. Health and safety. Umbrella companies should be held accountable for ensuring the health and safety of workers, conducting risk assessments and providing necessary training. Whistleblower protection. Regulatory frameworks must protect workers who report illegal or unethical practices within umbrella companies, safeguarding them against retaliation. C. Financial security. Transparent fee structure. Regulations should mandate that umbrella companies clearly disclose their fees, preventing hidden charges and exploitative practices. Pension provision. To promote long-term financial security, umbrella companies should be required to offer pension schemes to workers, with mandatory employer contributions. Protection against insolvency. Regulatory measures should ensure that workers' wages and entitlements are protected in the event of umbrella company insolvency, through the establishment of compensation funds. 3. Ensuring accountability. A regulatory oversight. Licensing and accreditation. Regulators should introduce a licensing system for umbrella companies, verifying their compliance with labor laws, financial stability, and ethical practices. Auditing and monitoring. Regular audits and inspections of umbrella companies can ensure ongoing compliance with regulations, prevent fraudulent activities, and identify areas of improvement. Enforcement and penalties. Stricter penalties and sanctions should be imposed on umbrella companies that violate regulations, including fines, revocation of licenses, and criminal charges if necessary. B. Industry collaboration. Codes of conduct. Industry associations and stakeholders should develop and enforce robust codes of conduct, promoting ethical practices, transparency, and fair treatment within umbrella companies. Worker representation. Umbrella companies should be encouraged to establish mechanisms for worker representation, allowing employees to voice their concerns and participate in decision-making processes. Information sharing. Regulatory bodies should facilitate the sharing of information and best practices among umbrella companies to enhance compliance and improve industry standards. Conclusion. The regulation of umbrella companies from the worker perspective is crucial to ensure fairness, protection, and accountability within this employment model. Transparent and comprehensive regulations can address concerns related to fairness, worker protection, and financial security. By establishing robust regulatory oversight, enhancing industry collaboration, and enforcing accountability mechanisms, workers can be better safeguarded against exploitation and unfair treatment. Regulators, umbrella companies, and stakeholders must work together to create a balanced framework that supports the needs and rights of workers while facilitating the flexibility and benefits offered by umbrella employment. Only through comprehensive regulation can we build a system that truly prioritizes the welfare and interests of the workers engaged in this evolving form of employment.